Welcome to Floxxy's kitchen. Today's recipe is all about how to make banana bread. It's all about how to make banana bread. It's so healthy for yourself, your husband, and your children. So that's the ingredients here. We have baking powder, we have butter, we have brown sugar, we have flour, we have 2 eggs and banana. Yeah, and salt here, just a bit. All you have to do is you start peeling your banana like this. You peel all your banana in a nice way. See? Okay, now we are going to mash our banana. You can use anything you want, like the one you can use, you can use this for potato as well, but at the same time, then you mash your banana like this. And then you use your sugar. Then you use your wooden spoon to mix your sugar with the banana. All you have to do is you just add your banana with your sugar, then you mix together. And now you use your butter. Then you mix it as well. Now we are going to use our egg. And then you mix it as well. So now you add a bit of salt. Then you mix it as well. Although you can use hand maker or you can use your wooden spoon, it's your choice. And then you use your baking powder. So now you're going to use your vanilla. It's just only 1 teaspoon, just only 1. Then you mix it. You see how fluffy it is? It's so nice. It's so easy to do it and very healthy because of the banana. It's so healthy. So the last one is your flour. That's the last one. And you need to add on top of it, and then you will mix it as well. So now we need to preheat your oven up to 230. So by the time you see how fluffy it is, look at. So now it's time for you to butter your cake bowl or your tray or whatever. You need to butter it. At the same time, your oven have to be on. See, this is all we got from our banana cake or bread or whatever. You see how fluffy it is? It's so nice. It's very easy to do it, and it's very affordable. At least you can even use 2-3 pounds to do it. So now we are going to pour everything here. Wow, it's so nice. And we need to put it in for about 1 hour to make it raise up and then make it brown. So it's going to be in oven now. So we are going to wait for 1 hour. Hi guys, this is what came out from our banana cake or banana bread. It's so nice and brown. You see how it is? This is what came out from our homemade banana bread. It's so nice and brown. You can see that. Oh, you have to cut it now. Let me get my knife. And I'm going to cut it. Look at that. Here we go. Ooh. You see? Oh, so nice. Look at that. Wow. Wow, it's so nice. This is what came out. It's easy and healthy. So I presume everybody has to try, like tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday, for after your dinner. Then your children or your husband is going to love it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and make comments. Anything you want me to do for next week, please let me know. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Floxxy's Kitchen. Bye for now.